It's a beautiful day for building habits. Let's get started. Let's just move. Simple morning movement to build consistency, discipline, energy, focus. Oh, it's all going to be here today. It's a beautiful morning. It's going to be a beautiful day. We're going to talk about habit building today. We're going to talk about a book by James Clear called Atomic Habits, which I don't know anything better written about how to build and keep habits. I think these small, simple morning movements are a great way for us to build consistency and discipline in the habit of movement. Let's get our legs in with this now. We're going to be here for less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes of movement with a little bit of focus. Build some heat today. James Clear talks about small habits and getting 1% better every day. I love this idea. Things take time. We want instant gratification. It's very human. Oh yeah, really stretch it out. Oh yeah, I can feel that in your shoulders. Can I get just a little bit better today than I was yesterday? Can I do a tiniest bit more? It's almost that amount that, oh, that's not gonna make any difference. And that small change over time compounds, makes for a huge, long-lasting transformation. Let's shake it out. Okay, I want to build some mobility this week, this month. So, if you're like me, a little stiff in the morning, lower back, just notice. It's gonna be all just nice, simple, natural movements so we can get 1% better every day. It really is about consistency. Habits become a real part of our lives when we stay consistent to them. No need for perfection. And it is amazing how the smallest things will compound. He talks about change being really start to transform and really take place when it aligns with your identity. I'm the kind of person who works out every morning. That is you now. I mean, that's the workout, just getting some movement in the mornings. A little bit of movement, won't take us long here. Endorphins are gonna set in. Those feel-good chemicals. Our energy's gonna be boosted. A little smile, and we can celebrate the small win of some morning movement. That's another key. Let's just get a little twist in. Celebrate with a morning coffee. Or just a real congratulatory well done to you. When you type in job done in the comments, there's your reward. It's yes, completed my task. I got that done for the day. Gotta celebrate the small wins. It's so key to building this consistency and discipline. And when you shift your identity to, I'm the kind of person that works out every day. I am healthy. I am strong. You start seeing yourself like that, talking to yourself like that, then you're going to take the actions that align with who you are. I'm the kind of person who eats healthy food most of the time, the majority of the time. When you start seeing yourself as what you want to be, visualizing it, say it in your mind, I am strong, I am healthy. Let's just reach a bit. You take the actions that align with that person. No toxic thoughts. No, I am weak. I'm not good enough. No more. We all have those self-deprecating thoughts. Notice it. Just let it pass and replace it with, nope, I am healthy. I am strong. I am enough. So every action, I think this is kind of his quote, it's sort of, every action is a vote for the person you want to be. So be mindful of every action you take. Does this align with the person who I am? That's where our focus practice comes into place. So we're really present. Oh yeah, just keep your arms up, sort of, yeah. So every action I take is a vote for who I want to be. So I'm really mindful about everything that I do. Those actions start to more and more align with my identity, who you are. Okay. Open it up. Oh yeah, feel the side body there. Oh yes. Starting to generate some heat. The sweatshirt wasn't as good as I thought. I wanted to get really warm, but I'm cooking now. Yeah. Okay. Now, a little touch to the side. Come on. Can you keep your head up? Get as low as you can. Again, no comparison. Wherever you're at, it's perfect. Wait till we see what we're like after day 28. Oh yeah. And then we start the new year completely aligned with the person we desire to be. Okay, just tiny. Come off a bit. Just really, like, just the smallest amount, but engage the core. Okay, just a mini squat. Building strength in the legs. Our core doesn't take a lot. Oh yeah, shake it out. Just shake and bend. Can you get a little back bend? Touch the floor if you can. Yeah. Touch the floor. Smile. Touch the floor. Smile. Okay, let's finish with my most favorite. I love jumping jacks. They're so simple, such natural movement, and they're just as great here, seated. Let's pick it up a bit, come on. Let's warm that body up. We're gonna have something to really celebrate after this. Come on, we're almost there. Let's go. Yeah, feel it in the shoulders. Stay with me. If you're finished, you're finished. That's okay, but 1 minute of focus, okay? Feet flat on the ground. Sit upright. Connect to your breath. Notice your breath. Now, close your eyes and just feel the sensation, just for 1 minute. Feel the sensations flowing through your body. How do you feel? Only paying attention to your body. Your mind wanders. Just bring it back. Our mind is a thought-making machine. It just creates thoughts. We're going to train it ourselves to pay attention to each moment. Just notice you feel. Just be here now. This is the most important moment. Your mind wanders, just bring it back. Notice your heart rate, the beating of your heart, tingling in your arms, your legs maybe. When you're ready, shake it out. Job done. In the comment section, stay accountable. Keep showing up. Consistency, disciplined. Small habits. 1% better every day. We're doing this. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.